Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do the fairy event on Grow a Garden. So as you can see, there's a fountain and there's a fairy godmother. We'll talk about that one after this. So for the fountain, as you can see right now, it requires glimmering blueberry. So I have that and I'm able to instantly get a reward. But if you don't have that, you can also up the fountain power. However, you will need a lot more than just one. So, okay, I'm gonna just type blueberry here. So I'm just going to make a wish and then offer a plant. As you can see, I'm already on the first tier. Then I can just make a wish and I can get fairy points, fairy targeter, or glimmering radar. If you don't know what this does, I'm just going to get the fairy points first. And next, it needs a glimmering pumpkin. Do I have that or not? I think I had one. Pumpkin. Okay, I guess not, but oh, I do need a plant. Oh, I do have one here. I'll just use the glimmering spray. Where is it? You know what? I'll just type in spray. Here it is, and I'll just spray this. Then I'm just going to grab that pumpkin, and I'm just going to give it, and that opens up the second tier. So, where is it? Pumpkin. Make a wish and offer plant. As you can see, I would have opened the second tier. Then I can make a wish again. I'll just do, really want the new one, so I'll just do the enchanted seed pack because I can craft this. Next, it needs the glimmering dragon fruit. Okay, so you have like 5 tiers to do, but you'll get points each time you submit a glimmering plant anyways. It needs now glimmering dragon fruit and a glimmering bamboo, which I have glimmering bamboo. So now you'll need 2 plants that has the glimmering mutation. Then after that, you'll need to submit 3 plants. 3 plants is the most plants you need to submit. You'll get 5 chances per hour here, so I'll show the tasks. As you can see, it resets for me in 11 hours, right? I think. Am I bugging? Yeah, 11 hours. So you're just going to open up the 5th tier, and then you'll need to wait 11 hours to open it back up. But you can reset it once you're done using fairy points, so you do need to collect those. You can also use the fairy points to for the fairy godmother to upgrade, for instance, glimmer multiplier and roaming fairy spawn amount and the fairy event duration and the fairy spawn amount. You can upgrade those using the fairy points. I'm saving mine to reset the event again. You'll need 7,000, I think, fairy points. Also, you can get fairy points without having the fountain power on. So for instance, it's off. You can just submit plants there and you'll still get fairy points. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope that explains it. Sorry if I'm not clear enough on that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.